a big one. It's a nice one. Oh my god. Alright guys, we're leaving the house right now to fish at the golf course. This is a solo mission today. Yeah, sorry guys. The audio on my GoPro cuts out as soon as I can do this pass. Wasn't very big, but it was pretty decent. That's what I was saying. I was saying it was probably about half a pound. It wasn't nothing crazy, but I caught it on a little sexy bug. One of those green pumpkin sexy bugs. Those are super good right now. I recommend for ponds. Let's go. And for some reason, as soon as I threw the fish back in the water, my audio
Big one.
back. I think they like this. Sprinklers, but I'm not sure. I'll try and fix that next time. Literally one cast, two casts later, I could get hooked onto another fish. Didn't even know I was hooked on him. I thought I was snagged, and then he started fighting, and I reeled him in. A weird thing happens here. The hook just gets stuck in its gill plate. Not even hooked, not even nothing. It's just stuck in the gill plate. It gave me a little bit of a problem because I wasn't able to get it out, obviously. I had to get my finger in that tiny bass's mouth, and it wasn't working, so... And I forgot my pliers, so there's nothing I could really do. But I ended up getting it out. Super small bass, but another catch of the day, you know? Of course. It moves. ended up moving to the other side of the pond and took a couple casts. Didn't get any bites, and so I ended up moving a little bit farther down to the pond. When we got to the pump, I was expecting to catch at least one, but I didn't get any bites. I changed the lure, still didn't get any bites, so ended up moving down more. From there, we just called it a day and packed up and headed on home. I kind of just talked to these guys. He asked if I caught anything. I told him I did, but nothing crazy, you know.
Yeah, I caught two, like, 1-pounders right there on like a little urchin. Yeah, I was surprised. All right, have a good one. Good luck. We caught 2 bass. That's all that matters, as long as we caught something. Caught 2 bass.
Right here, I'm heading home. I ended up grabbing some drinks from the gas station on the way home, but yeah, that's pretty much it.
Where you fish at?
Was you know where Bass Pro is?
Oh, you fish
You
over
know
there?
under the delta?
Oh, yeah.
You know how you have to go off the road a ways before you get to the bridge?
Oh, I know what you're talking about.
Where there's like a farmer's thing down there. Then you make that left and you go all the way down.
I've been there, yeah. It's my new favorite pole.
Yeah, well, that'll be it. Thank you for watching. This is my first video on my channel. They'll get better over time, but yeah, I would love the support. Support always helps, you know. Help me, you know, continue making videos. But thank you so much, and have a good day.